Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Gershon here. You're going to be entering into a new unit on syllables and affixes. Syllables meaning how the work is, or how a word is broken up into parts. This week we're going to do a little bit of review vowel work, but all of our words this week have one syllable in them. So we're going to be looking at different ways that your letters come together to make long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Again, they're a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit more challenging than what you've worked with in the past. So we're going to go through and look at our headers to start. This week we're going to be looking at vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, and vowel, consonant, E. Now we know a couple of rules here. Normally when you have a vowel, vowel, the first vowel does the talking. So when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. The first one says its own name. And normally when you have a vowel, consonant, E, that vowel also will say its own name. It will be a long vowel sound. So let's take a peek at our words this week. We have chief, wine, sharp, when, scout, scale, climb, and quit. Then we have rap, fruit, theme, think, plot, groan, phone, trust. Then we have smell, twig, brief, brave, front, clog, stain, quote. Now looking at our bold words this week, we have the word chief here. Sorry, I was trying to put the square around, the box around the I and the E. The I and the E together would be a vowel, vowel, consonant. Now what's interesting about this vowel combination is that you do not hear the I sound, because I said when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. You do not hear the I sound. You actually hear the E sound when we say chief. It's the same over here with the word brief. Again, you have a vowel, vowel, consonant here with the IEF. And again, when I say brief, you hear that E sound. I'm looking for any other IE words here. I do not see them, but I do see some other vowel, vowel, consonant sounds, or vowel, vowel, consonant combinations, like in the word fruit. And this is where that vowel combination does hold true, because you hear the U sound when you say fruit, because the U and the I are together with a consonant at the end of T. So our vowel, vowel, consonants this week are going to have the long vowel sound. I'm just going to put a V with a line over it, because you're going to have a long vowel sound this week with that. Our next header, we have vowel, consonant, like in the word when. You hear short E sound. You hear eh there. Like in the word quit. Now, quit is interesting because you do have a U there. You have a U and an I together with a consonant at the end. But with the word quit, you have a combination here that always goes together, your Q and your U. But I'm still going to keep that under the vowel consonant for the I and the T. You have a short vowel sound there. And then we also have the word rap. That's one of our headers. That's one of our bold words this week. Again, you hear the short vowel sound ah. So up here I'm going to put vowel with a short vowel sound mark above it. Next we have the VCC, vowel, consonant, consonant, like in the word sharp. Again, short vowel sound there. Climb. Oh, climb is actually an interesting one, because you actually have a long vowel sound there, even though you have a vowel, consonant, consonant. Think, again, you have a long vowel sound there. You hear the A sound there. But then in the word front, you have a short vowel sound. And in the word trust, vowel, consonant, consonant. You hear a short vowel sound. So there you have a couple of combinations of long vowels and short vowel sounds. And our last one, vowel, consonant, E. Most of the time when you have an E on the end of the word and there's a consonant in front of it and then a vowel in front of that, it says that first vowel says its own name, like in the word scale. You have A-L-E. That says its own name. The A says its own name. Phone, theme, all long vowel sounds. Brave. Even down here for quote, you hear the long O sound. So I'm going to put vowel with a line over it for a long vowel sound. I think that's it for this week. You really need to look at your letter combinations. You're thinking short vowel, long vowel sound, and be looking at where to place those. If you have any questions on the meanings of any of these words, please feel free to raise your hand. I can come around and help you. It's time to grab scissors, and happy sorting.